In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com and Facebook, specifically focusing on how to seamlessly automate lead collection using Facebook lead ads. Before we start, it's important to note that this integration is perfect for those who want to streamline data collection directly from Facebook forms into your chosen boards on Monday.com, like leads, contacts, or even clients. To begin, open your Monday.com board. This could be a board you've already set up to handle leads, perhaps titled Leads, Contacts, or Clients. Look for the Integrate button at the top of your board, which will lead you to the Integration Center. Once you're there, use the search function to find Facebook lead ads. After locating Facebook lead ads, click on it and then select Add to Board. This action will guide you to a page where you can choose an automation recipe. These recipes determine how often and in what manner data is transferred from your Facebook lead ads to Monday.com. You might choose something like, when a new lead is created in Facebook lead ads, create an item in this board. Or you might prefer, when a new lead is created in Facebook, update an existing item. Decide what fits your needs best. The next step is to connect your Facebook account. It's crucial that you log into your Facebook or Meta Business account to grant Monday.com the permissions it requires. These permissions will allow access to your ad accounts and lead forms. Once you've logged in and granted access, you need to be selective about choosing the specific Facebook page and lead form you want to connect with your Monday.com board. Once these connections are secure, it's time to map fields between the two platforms. Monday.com will display several fields for mapping, such as name, email, phone, and campaign. These fields need to match the columns you've set up on your board. For instance, the name field in Facebook should correspond to the name column on your board. Similarly, ensure the email aligns with the email column, and if you have a campaign name field, map it to a text column. This part is crucial because it ensures a smooth and accurate transfer of data from Facebook to Monday.com. Now click Add to Board and you're all set. From now on, every time someone fills out your Facebook lead form, the data will automatically appear as a new item on your Monday.com board. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can automate the process of lead collection, ensuring accuracy and saving valuable time. This setup not only enhances your workflow efficiency, but also helps in maintaining a comprehensive and updated database. With the integration successfully in place, all your Facebook leads will securely and swiftly be transported to Monday.com, allowing you to focus more on nurturing these leads rather than manually inputting data. Happy integrating!